What's up, everybody? We are kind of at a late start right now. I had to get going real quick, make sure all my ducks were in a row before I made a fool of myself on camera. Let me show you what we got going on. Also, real quick, if you notice, this is being shot at 30 frames per second. I've been trying different vlogging styles. I used to shoot at 60, so this is in 30. I'm gonna record 30 for this video. Let me know what you guys think, if it looks better than 60. I felt like 60 looked too fake, too like I'm using my phone still. I don't know how to explain it. Anyways, sorry, let's get to it. You guys can definitely see all that rust. That is not good. It's pretty deep, so hopefully I can still sand it all the way down and shoot it. We got a little bit up there, not too bad, but I'm probably gonna start from this side, just sand it all the way down to bare metal, prime it, and just shoot it real quick. Normally I do paint my engine bays when the trans and the engine are out, just because it's easier, and then I would be able to take this out. This is rusting a little bit, so I might sand that, shoot it with some black. But yeah, that is not good, especially on where the hanger is, so we'll definitely take care of that. So I'm not sure if you guys remember from the last video, this little piece that was up there, I was questioning what it was. Well, there was supposed to be a charcoal canister right there, and they half deleted it. I don't know what they were thinking, but I just pulled it out. We're gonna do a full EGR delete. You can kind of see the cap right there that went to it. So we're just gonna delete the emissions, because where I'm at, we don't have emissions, wink wink. And then the EGR valve is up there. We'll get more into that. This wastegate solenoid has been chilling in its normal mounting position, but I think this is what was making the ticking. There was always like a tick. I wonder if I can find it.
Meanwhile, back in the lowlands.
Alright, so I do have like this little pump in the back. I think it's some emission control. That tick, I think it was coming from this. It was from this general area, so I don't think anything else would be able to make that. So this was going to my intake pipe before. It's plastic, it is no longer rubber. So I don't know what that's about, but yeah, see, so glad we're getting rid of this. We don't need you anymore. I'm gonna put you on the GoPro and we're gonna start deleting all the stuff that we don't need. So I'm gonna stop right here. We'll get back to it tomorrow, show you what we got going right now. So threw away the EGR solenoid. Here is the evap solenoid right there, and I did keep the fuel pressure solenoid because it does help with starting, so I definitely want that. Maybe when we upgrade to aftermarket fuel pressure regulator, we'll get rid of it, so I'm sure we have to. But these two vacuum lines, in every vacuum diagram I've been seeing, it doesn't show these two hard lines. It's only showing the intake manifold vacuum lines. So I'm gonna do more research on these, see where these go. If I can just cap them, I'm sure I can. I'm not sure where this one is going, so I'll do more research like I said. Then we'll cap these. Then we got rid of the side mount intercooler because we're not running a side mount anymore. And all these broken pieces of charcoal canister, wastegate lines, and just trash. Got the duct though, so that's cool. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna go do research and go to sleep, and then we'll get back to it tomorrow. All right, so I'm an idiot. I know you guys were probably like, dude, come on. So I realized I was looking at the 1G vacuum diagram, and finally I found a 2G vacuum diagram, and it made sense because I only had the emission solenoid off, the EGR solenoid. I was wondering, wait, I never took off a second solenoid, because the early model 2Gs, I believe, and 1Gs, they were mounted to the firewall right over there, which the EGR solenoid is, but not the evap one, and I'll show you where the evap one goes. So I don't know if you can see it, get my light on it. There it is, right there. And it's attached with that bolt, and I'm sure another one that's a pain to get to. So I'm probably just gonna leave it unplugged, which it is right now, as you can see. So that's the evap one, and those are the hard lines. You can kind of see them right there. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave it unplugged and just leave the solenoid there because it looks like it's a pain to get to with that amount of space. So the two hard lines you can probably just bend and then just cap the one on the intake manifold and we'll be golden. Also, it is a beautiful morning out. Probably overexposed, I can't see the screen, but ooh, yeah, it probably was. Anyways, I didn't sleep. I was doing research, editing, so I'm gonna go to Lowe's, pick all that up, like the paint, and I got a few chores to do as well. So we'll do that, and I'll roll a quick cinematic because we are taking the Supra, so let's get that going. Alright, I hope you guys like that. I've been practicing, hoping to get a little bit more better, so we'll see, I guess. We're here at Lowe's. I'm gonna go pick up the supplies to get rid of that rust. And yeah, let's get to it. Alright guys, it's a new day. I'm ready to kick butt on this rust, hopefully get it all out and painted today. Probably gonna let the primer sit for quite a while actually, so maybe not today. I'll get as far as I can. Hopefully, like I said, we'll get the rust sorted out and then we'll just end it there. So let's get to it. Okay, so what we got it sanded all the way, so I had to use a grinding disc and then go from like 80 to 120 to I think it was 280 then 320. So got the frame all sanded down, cleaned down with IPA, so it is all degreased, ready to prime. Gonna mask a little bit more around and then start shooting, so hopefully it goes well. And it is all done. It is painted. Fortunately, it doesn't match, of course, so I am looking forward to pulling the engine once it goes, and then we're doing the whole engine bay. I'd rather just have something on it right now, drive it, and just have it rust out, because it was very bad. It was almost severe to where it was just gonna rot out the metal. So I'd rather have something on it now than nothing. So let me show you what I got. All right, here is painted. It's sticking really good. Dragged my nail across it. It's not flaking, it's not soft, so it is cured. But yeah, I mean, it's not too bad. Definitely not to what it was compared to, but I don't know if you guys can tell, probably, but it's definitely not the right white. This is more like of a satin finish, I guess. But I am happy with it. Like I said, at least there's something on it now protecting it than nothing. And I know you guys are probably thinking, oh my gosh, this guy, like, unsubscribing right now, this guy ruins cars. I didn't want to do it like this, but on such short notice. With the trans out, it was a good time, and then, like I said, later in the channel, once I pull the engine and stuff like that, you guys will see how I do my engine bays, stuff like that, paint them up. I don't do rattle can jobs, so I have a gun over there, so we'll spray it, prime it, sand it, everything I can to clean up this bay. Unfortunately, just right now, the rust, I couldn't keep it, like I couldn't put the trans back in and just be okay with that. So I don't know, I hope you guys don't hate me for that. I am all done here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, if you hate me now or you're gonna unsubscribe. But we'll do more work on the engine bay, I promise you. I definitely don't want to leave it like this. So that being said, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully we do some turbo stuff or installing the trans. I want to get this done here soon, so we'll look forward to that. So we'll see you later, guys. Thank you.